Hey, my name is Adriel, and if you're watching this right now, I just want to say I'm glad that you're here. This channel is all about real estate investing, personal finance, and travel hacking. But more importantly, it's about taking control of your life to build a life of more freedom, more options, and being in control of your time and your finances. And if that's something you're interested in, you're in the right place. Most people want financial freedom, but they don't know where to start. They're working hard, they're making decent money, but they still feel stuck. They don't understand real estate. They don't understand credit cards and credit scores and hacking that. They don't understand personal finance or investing sometimes, and none of this was ever taught to them. I know that feeling because I was once there too, and that's the main reason why I started this channel. First and foremost, I'll mainly talk about real estate investing because I've been doing this for a decade now, and it's the one thing that's changed my life the most. Real estate has allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job, giving me financial freedom, and the freedom to live life on my own terms. I'll break down actual deals with actual numbers and go over everything from finding the deals, financing, the project or the process of the deal, and the exit strategies. It won't be any fluff or any hypothetical, generic real estate advice. It'll be actual deals with actual numbers and how to actually have actionable items to get started. I believe real estate is one of the most powerful wealth building tools out there once you understand it. And my goal is to help you understand it better so you can take advantage of the opportunities that I have gotten from real estate. And of course, personal finance is inherently tied with real estate. You have to be good with finances to be good in real estate and succeed. However, I'm not going to be like your typical personal finance channel, giving you generic advice on how to invest in the stock market, how to budget, any percentage saving rules, stuff like that. I'm instead going to focus more on actual value and maximizing deltas and discrepancies for life hacks to enjoy life to the fullest without spending all the money. Hence, real estate investing, buying a home pennies on the dollar, forcing appreciation and selling it to make a big profit. Or travel hacking, me being able to fly a first-class flight that normally costs $10,000 one way, but instead I'm paying $50 or $100 for that same flight without spending any extra money. You see, I'm all about maximizing life and getting an amazing deal while doing that. I'm all about the value delta, where the worth or the value of something is way higher, but you're able to maximize and enjoy it for way less. For most people, they'll tell you that getting a credit card with a $900 annual fee is not a great financial decision. They'll also tell you that leasing a luxury car is a terrible financial decision. However, what they don't see is that $900 credit card gave me enough miles to book a $10,000 first-class flight where I only paid $85 out of pocket. They also don't talk about taking advantage of manufacturer incentives and state rebates to hack your way to lease a brand new luxury car for just $168 a month out of pocket. I'm all about maximizing life and not just penny pinching. Life is meant to be enjoyed, and if there's a way to enjoy it responsibly, I'm all for it. This is the stuff we wish we learned in school, but we didn't. So that's why I'm here trying to teach it to you guys from my own personal experiences. And of course, I'm going to talk about credit card hacking and how to maximize these credit card points for luxury travel. Luxury first-class flights and 5-star hotels are the literal contradiction to prudent personal finance and financial discipline to savings and having a safe retirement. But here's what most people don't realize. Credit cards, when used correctly, can allow you to experience and attain those things that are normally not attainable while still being financially responsible. I'll show you how to pick the right cards, how to maximize and earn these credit card points, and the best ways to redeem them to do things that you never thought you'd be able to do. I'm talking about first-class long-haul flights that are normally over $10,000 with full beds, Dom Perignon, caviar, showers, things that you didn't think was even possible or existed on airlines, but how I can do it for just paying $100 a flight or less. You see, I don't want this channel to be me pretending to have everything figured out. I'm here to show you my progress and my journey. I'm still learning things along the way, and I'm gonna share what I learned with you guys. As I buy more real estate, try different real estate strategies, try different marketing strategies, and different changes in credit cards and first-class flights, all these things happen in real time, and I can give you my experience as a data point to help you guys do the same thing as well. So if you're someone that wants to stop feeling financially behind and start making actual progress towards financial freedom, or if you're just someone that wants to enjoy the finer things in life without blowing your budget, then this channel is for you. So I hope you'll follow me along on my journey, and I hope my videos provide enough value to help you out on yours.